What's stopping you from delivering AI at scale within your organization? When we talk to customers about the challenges they face as they scale AI solutions within their respective organizations, we hear a few consistent themes. First is getting consistent and predictable access to the GPUs and TPUs required to accelerate ML model training and inference. Next, we hear about the manual toil of managing infrastructure, patches, upgrades, tuning. It's all just a lot of work. And finally, we hear about the complexity associated with managing ML workflows that span multiple services, stitching these services together, scaling them on demand, and troubleshooting them when things go wrong can be a huge time sink. What if you had a platform that takes care of these fundamental challenges in a turnkey manner and allows you to truly focus on your business needs? Dataflow is amazing. It is GCP's fully managed and serverless unified analytics and AI platform. It allows customers like you to develop and scale AI solutions that drive efficiencies within your business and delivers transformational experiences for your customers. Dataflow is based on more than 20 years of Google innovation in the analytics and AI space. We've been helping customers run batch and streaming pipelines for more than 10 years now. As you consider Dataflow for your data parallel ML workloads, it is important to remember that we take a full stack approach to enabling AI. Our investments start at the SDK layer and go all the way to the underlying compute infrastructure. Our goal is to deliver a set of capabilities that make the platform easy to use, scalable, and efficient for customers like you. So, if you're looking for a serverless and scalable platform for your multimodal AI workloads, give Dataflow a try and let us know what you think. Thank you so much for listening, and we cannot wait to see what you build.